Assalamu alaikum grade 2 children. In last video children we covered the page number 8 and page number 9. Now today in this video teacher is going to read the lesson of the page number 10 and inshallah maybe page number 11 also. And teacher is going to explain the lesson. On page number 9 children, we saw that the Meena and what that name? That boy's name Chintu. Meena and Chintu, they both were friends. Chintu was a sad boy and Meena, she was always happy and cheerful. Now, see what happened on page number 10 children. First line teacher is reading. They were walking to school. Meena saw Ramu uncle, the rickshaw wala. So, Meena and Chintu, they were going to school. But how? They were walking to school. And it was raining. Meena suddenly saw rickshaw wala Ramu. Look Chintu, Ramu uncle, let's go with him. So, Meena said, come on, let's go with Ramu uncle. Now, he is coming to us only. Then your shoes will not get wet. Chintu was worried about shoes, that it is going to be wet. So she said, now we will go in the rickshaw. Ramu uncle happily dropped them off to school. So Ramu uncle, he was ready to drop them to the school. Now your shoes are not wet, Chintu. Meena said cheerfully, happily. Meena said cheerfully that see your shoes, no, they are not wet now. Aren't you happy? But Chintu was always sad, no, so he was not happy that time also. No, Chintu said with a scowl. Scowl is the meaning teacher has given. What is the meaning of scowl, children? An angry or bad-tempered expressions. Scowl and angry or bad-tempered expressions. It is known as scowl. So he said with a scowl, the breeze has messed up my hair. So he said now another thing he took out. And he said that the breeze is a wind, children. Breeze will messed up my hair. So what is messed, children? That meaning of messed also it is given a dirty or a untidy state. So it will make my hair untidy. Here children, now see this line. It looks better, Chintu. Meena replied. So Meena replied, no, it is good. It is not messed. Then here children, it rained heavily when they were going home. It was still raining a bit. So when they were there in the school, whole day it was raining heavily. And when they were returning to home, it was raining a bit. थोड़ी सी बारिश हो रही थी. They were puddles everywhere. Teacher said, what are puddles, children? Puddles on the ground, no, holes are there. And in holes, that water, when it filled with water, no, they are known as puddles. So, puddles were everywhere. The puddles were there everywhere. Meena was happy. She made a paper boats and sold them in the puddles. So Meena was very happy to see that gathered water. So she put the paper boat in that puddles and she was playing very happily. Chintu looked grumpy. But the Chintu was grumpy. He was not happy. He was in bad tempered only. Manner of that. His manner was of a bad tempered. My shoes are all wet. He said sadly. He said very sadly that, see, my shoes are all wet now. After a while, the sun came out. Meena clapped her hands. After some time, what was there? Sun came out means what, children? धूप आ गई थी. So Meena was very happy and she was clapping the hand and she said, Chintu, the sun is out. Your shoes will dry up. She said, now sun is out and your shoes will dry up. मतलब तुम्हारे shoes जो है वो सूख जाएंगे. But it's so hot now. Chintu said glumpily, I don't like it when it is so hot. But still the Chintu was not happy. Raining, not happy. It says sun is out. At that time also he was unhappy only. So what is grumpy, children? A teacher has given the this and he was in a bad manner. Now see, children, but it's too hot now. Now Chintu is saying what? That it is too hot now. One day, what happened now, children? This scene is over and now the scene of the classroom, it is there. One day, the teacher get half a glass of water on her table. She said, children, look at this glass. So she brought one glass, but the glass was half only. The water was half glass only. And she said to children, look at this glass. And she asked first to Chintu. Chintu, what do you see? Chintu said, I see a half empty glass. So he was not saying that it is half full. He is saying that it is half empty. Then she asked Meena. Meena said cheerfully. Meena was looking at the glass very happily and saying, what she said? I see a glass half full of water. So she said that I see a glass half full of water. Here he was saying the empty and he was saying the half full. The teacher looked at the children. Do you see, children? The same glass, two people, one sees is as half empty, one sees as half full. Meena is an optimist. An optimist finds something good in everything. So Meena is an optimist girl. She is finding good things. She wants to see the good part of the picture. Chintu thought to himself. Then Chintu he was serious and he was thinking of himself. She is right. The teacher is saying that is right. I am always sad. मैं हमेशा sad रहता हूँ. It is not good for me. Meena is always happy. I need to be happy too. So I also have to be happy. From that day, Chintu changed. And from that day onwards, what happened? Chintu changed himself. He became a happy person. And he became very happy and cheerful person. If it rained, he sailed boat. If it is raining also, he was happy. If it is sun is out, that time also he is happy. The sun was hot, he had ice cream. He didn't mind if his shoes become wet. They would dry anyway. Everyone liked Chintu. He was such a happy child. So after that day onwards, when Chintu became a happy person, everybody liked him. And children, from this lesson, what we have to see? We have to learn that especially the children, they should be happy and cheerful all the time. Okay, children, this was your lesson. Very good lesson it was about the two friends Chintu and Meena. So children, you also be happy whatever you have. Now here the page number, here which page, children? Page number 12, page number 13 and page number 14. that exercises has done for you and it is already been sent to you on your WhatsApp numbers. So you see the exercises of that page number 12, 13 and 14 and try to complete it. Okay children? Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.